Now, I will come on the selection of the method. Okay, there are two types of COD, and we can determine COD by the two different methods: open reflux principle or open reflux method, and closed reflux method or closed reflux principle. And what is the principle of the open reflux method? Suitable for a wide range of waste with a large sample size, and this is the suitability. This is the main features of the open reflux principle. Okay, due to its higher oxidizing ability, dichromate reflux method is preferred over the procedure using other oxidants, potassium permanganate. Now, oxidation of most organic compound is up to 95 to 100% of this method, theoretical value of this method. And what is the salient feature of closed reflux principle? Okay, this is the another method by which we can determine the chemical oxygen demand in the wastewater. This method is conducted with ampoules and culture tubes with pre-measured reagents. Now, measurement of sample volume and reagent volume are critical. This is the negative point of this method. This method is economical in the use of metallic salt reagent and generate a smaller quantity of hazardous waste. Okay, it means this is the suitability, this is the important point of this method. Volatile organic compounds gets completely oxidized in a closed system than the open because of longer contact time with oxidants. Now, why measure COD? It means COD is used as a general indicator of water quality and is an integral part of all water quality management program. Okay, it is the water quality management programs, and water quality management programs consider to the determination of COD in wastewater because it indicates the quality of the water. Higher COD levels means a greater amount of oxidizable organic material in the sample, which will reduce dissolved oxygen levels. Okay, it means if value of COD will be higher, then the water cannot be used as a domestic purpose. A reduction in dissolved oxygen can lead to anaerobic condition, which is deleterious to higher aquatic life forms. It means if quantity or the value of chemical oxygen demand is higher, it means the dissolving capacity of oxygen is reduced, and therefore anaerobic conditions generate, and which is deleterious to higher aquatic life forms. That is, it means aquatic life, that is bacteria, fungus and other plants cannot use dissolved oxygen. Okay, the chemical oxygen demand concentration in a treated effluent should not be greater than 250 milligram per liter. It means it is a optimum value. Okay, it is the limit value. Okay, 250 milligram per liter. If the concentration of COD in the water is 250 milligram per liter, then we can use for a domestic purpose of the water. Now, what is the principle of this experiment? What is the principle of chemical oxygen demand? Okay, the organic matter present in sample gets oxidized completely by potassium dichromate solution because we are using potassium dichromate. Potassium dichromate acts as an oxidizing agent, and these oxidizing agent oxidize all the organic matter into CO2 and H2O. This oxidation takes place in the presence of sulfuric acid, silver sulfate and mercury sulfate. Final product of organic matter is CO2 and H2O, as I have discussed. The sample is refluxed with known amount of potassium dichromate in the acidic medium for 2 hours. Okay, this is the main point of this experiment, because without refluxing of the sample, we cannot oxidize the organic matter in the presence of oxidizing agent, that is potassium dichromate. Excess potassium dichromate is determined by the titration against ferrous ammonium sulfate solution. Okay, we know, and in previous I have already discussed the standard ferrous ammonium sulfate solution is used to perform this experiment. Okay, the normality of this ferrous ammonium sulfate solution is 0.25 N. Okay, using Ferron indicator, we will use Ferron indicator. Okay, the dichromate consumed by sample is equivalent to the amount of oxygen required to oxidize the organic matter. It means excess dichromate is used to determine oxygen required to oxidize organic matter.